Get your keys. Get your keys. Get your keys. Why you got a piece of cutter? Just a fucking person. Oh.
Don't just walk in and not take anything.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now,
Despacio, despacio. Abrí la puerta, Robert.
Oh my goodness, боже мой.